Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of HYIP Max latest investment script version 13. So this is the latest version of HYIP Max with 7 templates, which means that you can use 7 different websites at a time. So this is the latest and most amazing and advanced script. So if you want to buy this script, you can buy from us. Just contact us through on WhatsApp and we will provide you the script, and we will, if you buy it from us, we will give you free installation if you have domain and hosting, and if you need complete website, we also provide the complete website. So do contact us on WhatsApp, the link is in description, and buy this script. So here, first of all, we will look at the site homepage and other functions of website. Then we will explore the user panel of this site, and at last we will see how we can control this website from the admin panel. So let's start this video. So first of all, you can see the amazing homepage of this website, and here you can see that this is the homepage of this website, and let me adjust the zoom of this website, and so you can change this text and you can change everything from admin panel. So it is completely controllable. So here is a plan section. Here you can see different plans right here. When you click on view all, you can also see the affiliate bonus or referral bonus of the plan, and you can create multiple plans in a way you want. Here's a profit calculator, start investing. You can change these pictures and text through admin panel. This is a frequently asked question, top investors, transactions. So these are the latest blogs or news on the website. You can insert them, and here is a footer section. You can change it completely from admin panel. So if you want to visit these pages separately, you can also visit these pages separately. For example, I click on investment. So here you can see that we are on investment page. Similarly, you can visit about and contact page, blog page. So now let's log into our user panel and let's see how its user panel it will looks like. So it is completely in mobile app view. Its user app panel is. So let's go to login, and so this is the login page of this website. So here it is asking us to enter our email. So I will enter my email right here, and so this is, I have entered my email, and after that I have to enter my password, and when I click on login, it will log me into my user panel of this website. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into our user dashboard of this website. First of all, you can see your total balance, total withdrawals, total invest, total current plan. That here is a referral link of your referral link. Here you can see your referral trees. And when I go to investment plans, here I go to investment plans, I can easily invest in any plan I want. I just have to select the plan. I can invest using my balance, or I can invest using a gateway. So it completely depends on me. So here's a deposit. I can easily deposit money on this website using any of the gateway. So choosing any of the gateway, I can deposit money on this website. Here is a withdraw section. I can easily withdraw money. I can transfer money from one site to another. And here's a transaction logs, money logs, referral logs, two-factor authentication, support, logout option. So the amazing thing about this user panel is that it is completely in a mobile app view. So let's see in a mobile app. So I will click on inspect, and it will show me in mobile app. So this is how it will looks like in a mobile app. So you can see that it is completely in a mobile app view, and it is completely changed to mobile app. So you can see that right here, everything is here, and here is how it looks like in a mobile. So you can see that everything right here, and it has 7 different themes. All of them were in mobile app view, so you can use them. So now let's log out from user panel and let's log into our admin panel and see how we can control this website from the admin panel. So let me go to my admin panel. So this is the user admin panel login page. So here I have to enter my admin panel email, and after that I have to enter my admin panel password. So after entering password, I have to click on login, and it will log me into my admin panel. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into our admin panel. So let me zoom it to make it clear. So we have successfully logged into our admin panel of this website. So you can see the admin dashboard. Here you can see total investment, total pending investment, total amount. So website is newly created. As you can see that it is on my subdomain. So website is just created, and it's completely working script, and we will give you a guarantee, money back guarantee of script if you buy from us. So here's a notification, user can view notification and all these things for here, and admin can change settings of profile from this section. So this is a completely advanced script, completely A to Z controllable. You don't need any coding knowledge to control this website. You can easily use admin panel to control it. So here you can, from manage role option, you can manage different roles of employees. Here you can set up different roles for your employees. You can manage admins. So from manage plan, you can, from manage plan, you can insert multiple plans on this website. So you can turn on off different plans from here, or if you want to create a new plan, you just have to click on add new, and you can easily add a new plan by filling these simple details. So from schedule, you can manage a timestamp for the plan, and when we go to manage user, you can manage all the users of your website. So here you can see that there is only one user it is showing, so we have just registered. So when I go to details, you can change the details of user. You can add balances to the account of user from here. You can see the referrals and other settings from here. So these are all the user related activities you can manage from here. From support ticket, admin can communicate with user. From manage referrals, you can set up the referral settings of this website. So you can manage different levels of referrals from here when you click on add new, and you can add any level of referral you want. So from manual payment, you can manage the payments options of the website. From withdraw, you can manage withdraw requests. You can approve the withdrawals of user, reject them, and you can also create a manual payment gateway for withdraw. From manage deposit, you can approve or reject the deposit request of user. When a user requests a deposit, the request will be appeared here, and you can approve or reject it simply. Here are the gateway settings. You can see all the automatic payment gateways are here. You can turn them off, on from here. And if you want to create a new gateway, you just have to click on create gateway, and you can easily create a new gateway by clicking on create gateway, and by filling these simple details, you can create a new gateway, or any local gateway you want to create, you can create it from here. So here are the email manager. You can manage all the email settings. Here are general setting options. So when we go to general settings, here you can change the site title and some other site related activities from here. So here you can change site titles, you can change your currency of site, you can convert to any currency you want, sign up bonus, timestamp, email verifications, you can turn them on off from here, SMS verifications, user KYC, you can change the user logo of this website, insert your own logo, you can change the home page logos and some other settings of the website. So these are the general setting options. You can manage the preloader, Google Analytics, Google Recaptcha, you can insert live chat, Google SEO manager, you can clear cache, you can insert any local language on the website you want. So the most amazing option is manage theme. So it has 7+ different themes on the website, and if you want to activate, you can easily activate any theme you want. You just have to click on activate, and the theme will be activated. So this is how you can activate the themes of the website. And here you can view the interest logs, commission logs. From front end settings, basically you can manage the front end. So for example, if I want to change the banner section of this website, so here is how I can change the title of banner, I can change the image of banner, short description, some other text that are on banner, I can change it from here easily. So similarly, you can change any section you want. So it is completely controllable and changeable website. So in this video, I tried to guide you about this website. Now, if you want to buy this script, or if you need this complete website, do contact us and buy this website. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to the channel, and also share this video with your friends who need this type of website.